Are you on the hunt for the next big thing to elevate your portfolio? How about a new startup that disrupts the oil industry? I see this as a game changer in the commodities market, particularly when it comes to crude oil. This isn't your average crypto project. It's a true alpha play that's leveraging the power of blockchain to transform a massive legacy industry. They're building a comprehensive ecosystem that caters to both individual investors and businesses in the oil and gas sector. On the consumer side, they've got a killer loyalty program that lets you earn rewards just for filling up your tank. And on the enterprise side, they're providing a suite of cutting-edge tools and solutions that are going to disrupt how the industry currently operates. And if you're looking for a token with real-world utility, with this one, you can even pay for gas at participating stations and earn rewards. So stick around to see how this can transform your investment strategy and connect you with one of the world's most valuable commodities. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Radar, where I talk about new up-and-coming projects in the blockchain space. My name is OJ, crypto investor and analyst for the past 8 years. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe now to stay up to date with everything that's happening in crypto. Today, I want to dive into something super exciting and transformative in the world of commodities, Crudo protocol. This project is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap in how we think about and engage with the oil and gas market, particularly crude oil. As much as I talk about diversifying your portfolio, and I do that with various sectors within the crypto market as we have so much to choose from. And now, with this one, I can invest in and trade oil without all the usual headaches and complexities. Crudo protocol is leveraging blockchain technology to make everything transparent, secure, and incredibly efficient. So let's break it down and see why this project is poised to change the game. Well, for a start, this is a comprehensive platform that simplifies the acquisition and trading of commodities, mainly crude oil. Traditional ownership structures in the oil market are often complicated and very costly and inaccessible to the average Joe. Crudo protocol addresses these issues by providing a transparent, secure, and efficient investment experience by documenting ownership stakes, also transaction histories, and cargo management details on an immutable blockchain ledger. Crudo protocol ensures transparency and trust among co-owners, effectively mitigating challenges such as disputes and mismanagement. Plus, it opens up the commodities market to a broader audience, to us, making it easier for anyone to explore and invest in this enduring sector. In other words, their ecosystem aims to address the complexities and challenges associated with traditional ownership structures, the high costs and the limited stock access in the commodities market. So the two core components of this ecosystem are Crudo for people and Crudo for business. Let's start with one of the coolest aspects of Crudo protocol, which is Crudo for people. This is essentially a loyalty program for gas stations. Think of it like a frequent flyer program, but for fuel. Crudo protocol's native token, Crudo, is going to be used like cash at participating petrol stations when you buy gas. When you fill up the tank, you earn rewards in the token. It's that simple. Of course, there's an app for that. There's an app for everything these days, right? Using the Crudo protocol app, you can locate petrol stations that are offering the best fuel prices and rewards, and the app is designed to help users save money on gas, which, let's be honest, we all need these days. To me, this is very much like the play-to-earn model, but used in a different way. It's also about growing the crypto community, finding more use cases, which is what I'm all about. The more real-world use cases we can establish and promote, the better. I'm all up for it. And right now, Crudo protocol is partnering with major gas stations and distributors in the Middle East and parts of Asia, with big plans to expand globally, so pay attention. They're starting in regions where the impact can be significant, and then they're scaling up. So keep an eye out for Crudo protocol in your area at some point. possibly very soon. The retail fuel station market is massive. Analysts valued it at $1.8 trillion in 2022, and it's expected to reach $2.4 trillion by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 2.8% from 2023 to 2032. This growth means there's a huge opportunity for Crudo protocol to make a significant impact, which is why I'm seeing a bright future for this project, and this is why I'm featuring it on this channel. Also, in the last few years, gas prices have jumped so much. It's one of the main problems right now with this industry. We've all felt the pinch at the pump last year for sure. Of course, gas prices have surged due to various factors like geopolitical tensions, supply chain disruptions, and economic uncertainties. But these fluctuations can be tough to handle, affecting everyone from individual consumers to businesses and policymakers. So, what is Crudo's solution? Well, by using their Crudo tokens to buy gas, we can earn rewards and save money. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to mitigate the impact of rising gas prices. There's also free gas lotteries that users will benefit from. Yes, I'm talking free gas. By participating in these lotteries, we have the chance to win free fuel, adding another layer of value to the Crudo experience. Now, that was only half of their business model. The second core component is Crudo for Business, targeting the oil and gas industry. This part of the platform is designed to optimize operations and decision-making processes within the oil and gas industry. It offers a suite of comprehensive data and risk management solutions tailored for businesses in this sector. The key features include real-time data on oil prices and other derivatives. This is crucial for traders and businesses looking to make informed decisions quickly. They also offer a secure blockchain-based solution for storing and verifying documents. They even provide due diligence reports, helping businesses efficiently source, onboard, and oversee new suppliers, vendors, and distributors, and give access to detailed data on global oil markets, filtered by over 180 parameters. In short, they help users connect with verified suppliers, vendors, and distributors. And why blockchain? Well, blockchain technology offers numerous advantages over traditional systems. All transactions on the blockchain are visible and immutable, meaning they cannot be altered or changed. This transparency adds a layer of accountability that's hard to beat. Also, blockchain transactions are trustless, meaning they don't require a third party to verify them. This feature ensures that transactions are secure and reduces the need for intermediaries, making the process faster and more efficient, and cheaper as well. Another significant benefit of blockchain is its ability to trace transactions back to their original source. And this is crucial for compliance and future-proofing the ecosystem against regulations. And without the need for centralized entities, transactions are faster and more cost-effective. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for cross-border payments, which usually involve multiple intermediaries, as you know. This way, all you need to participate in the Crudo protocol ecosystem is an internet connection and a wallet. And this opens up the market to a much broader audience, reducing the high barriers to entry traditionally associated with the oil industry. Now let's look at the tokenomics. The Crudo token is central to the Crudo protocol ecosystem. It can be used at all affiliated petrol stations and charging points for purchasing gas. Every time you use Crudo tokens, you earn rewards, which can then be reused within the ecosystem. The name of the token is Crudo Protocol and the ticker is Crudo. The total supply is 1 billion tokens and the initial price was 0.008 cents to the dollar. This was the first round, which is now closed. Currently is 0.009 cents to the dollar, and with every next round it will go up a little. There are a total of 10 rounds. We are now at the second round. And check this out, the exchange listing price is 20 cents to the dollar. From the current price, this is 2,100% return. The token is built on BNB Smart Chain. And to ensure market stability, Crudo Protocol has structured a vesting plan. Here is how it works. The initial airdrop, which is the pre-DEX listing, is 20%. That will be airdropped upon the initial launch. The remaining 80% of tokens will be distributed over the next 8 months, with 10% being released each month. So that means 10% will be airdropped monthly for the remaining months of the vesting period. And why this matters? Well, because it prevents large sell-offs that could destabilize the market. It also emphasizes the project's community-driven approach, encouraging long-term support from token holders. Right now, at pre-sale prices is usually the best time to jump into this, and you can use BNB, Ether, Matic, USD Tether, USDC, Avalanche as well. And the pre-sale is divided into 10 stages, with the price increasing after each stage sells out. The soft cap is $8 million and the hard cap is $14 million. So I'm going to show you now, I'm going to make a purchase and I'm going to show you how the process goes so that you know what you need to do. Let me switch to the other screen. All right, now let's buy some tokens. I'm going to go to buy now, and here I think I've got BNB. And this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use MetaMask. Yeah, I've got one BNB here, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's connect the wallet. I'm selecting MetaMask. You don't have to do MetaMask. You can select one of the other wallets, but for me, this is where I have my funds right now. So I'm going to click on BNB. Here, I'm going to select one. Even though I clicked on this BNB, I still have to select the currency in this field here. So let's go to BNB. Let's type 1, and that will get me 63,000 tokens. And the price, 0.09 cents right now. Listing price, 0.20. So 20 cents to the dollar will be the listing price. 0.009 cents to the dollar is right now. This is quite a good profit, guys. I like that. All right, let's approve this. Oh, I have to register as well. Fair enough. Okay, now that I've registered, I can continue with this. In fact, you know what I'll do? I will do a test with a smaller amount, because I like to do, smaller amounts for testing and then go with higher amounts. I mean, one BNB is not really a big amount, but instead of doing a transaction for, $500-600 in one go, I can try with something smaller. I guess 0.1 will be too little. Let's do 0.2. So 0.2 BNB for my test. That's 12,600 tokens. Then I can do the rest once I know that everything goes smoothly. And then I can go into another wallet and use some more funds so that I can get, I usually like to get at least $1,000-2,000 worth in these kind of tokens. Sometimes even bigger amounts. Okay, let's confirm that. Okay, let's refresh. Now, what I'm going to do is go to this transaction dashboard here. And, I can see it already. Perfect. So, this is my transaction. The amount was 0.2 BNB. I got 12,600 tokens. And now I can go and buy some more with the rest of that balance here, because I want to use all of the balance in this wallet. I've got 0.80 and then some small ones, but this will be to cover fees. So I will just use 0.80. Okay, let's select BNB. We do here 0.8. And that gives me another 50,900 tokens. Let's go for it. Yep. And the fee is actually tiny. This is why I'm using BNB. Okay, I'm not going to refresh this page for about 60 seconds. Let's wait. And it looks like it's done. Now I can go again in my transaction dashboard. And I'm not yet seeing the transaction, so I'm going to wait for a few more seconds and then I'm going to refresh. So this is 12,600 and I'm waiting for another 50,000, whatever it was. Let's find out. Yeah, I got them. So in total, 63,500 tokens I got for one BNB. This is at the current price because with every next round, the price will be going up. And we are at stage 2, so that's the second round out of 10 rounds. So the price is now 0.009 cents to the dollar. It will get to 10, 11, 12, and so on. So the sooner you get to watch this video and the sooner you act, the cheaper price you're getting. And then, of course, as it's listed at 20 cents, the percentage you gain will be bigger if you manage to get it really quick during this sale round, which is still the second sale round. It's halfway through. And here is my wallet. So I will have to be using this wallet. Whenever I'm getting the tokens later on, the airdrops from the vesting and everything, they will be coming into this wallet. So I will need to be logging and connecting with this wallet. And of course, I can connect with another wallet where I can have more tokens and everything, but this is how it goes. So make sure to just make a note of which wallet you're using, because I do have several accounts in MetaMask. As you see, this is my account too. I have other accounts in MetaMask. I also have Phantom wallet and Brave wallet and other Web3 wallets that I can use. So it's good to make a note of these things, because after a couple of months you might forget. So that's how it goes. Simple. As you see, all you need is a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Phantom, Brave, whichever you're using, whichever you're preferring. I will drop links to some of the top Web3 wallets in the description for you in case you don't yet have one. And this wraps up today's deep dive, guys. I think that Crudo protocol has a huge potential to disrupt the commodities market, especially the oil and gas industry, by making it more accessible and transparent. Being in a pre-sale phase is a great time to get involved early. Keep an eye on this project for sure. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, don't delay. It's free. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments as well, or any suggestions for topics you want me to cover. This will definitely help me make even better content for you guys. And I know I haven't done technical analysis in a while, so watch out for next episode. This is what I'm going to do. In fact, leave comments and let me know which coins you want me to cover, which altcoins. I'm gonna pick 5 of the suggestions in the comments below. Until then, check this other video and I'm gonna see you there.